Hello, my name is Jacob Carroll, and this is my lab board demonstration. I'm going to start by running the ESP client, and then I will run both at the same time, the ESP client and the ESP server, to show how that's working. For the first portion, I am going to show how ESP client works. As I mentioned before, it will connect to my local network, and then it will also connect to ThingSpeak when the time arises. Right now, this is my current state of my ESP32. It basically is using the temperature and Hall sensor data that is coming from the board, and then is using the red LED for the second portion of the lab. We will go back here and watch for the data to be sent, and then we will be able to view it in the ThingSpeak API. So as you can see, there's 140 and -4, and then that will be put onto the data, or will be put into the graphs as temperature and Hall sensor data separately. And then we'll watch this for a couple more iterations to show that it's working. And then I'll show you how it stops itself at 10, because for the purpose of the video, it doesn't need to be 5 minutes. So here we go, 141 and -15. We'll wait for that to appear. There it goes, and then we'll watch one more. And this is happening every 30 seconds, as I mentioned before. So we got 141 and -4. And then there we go. That is how the ESP client works. And then here is why it will stop after 5 minutes. Basically, after every 30 seconds, I increment my count by 1. And then if count is 10, the sensor timer is deinitialized and the socket is closed and no more data will be sent. Since 10 times 30 seconds is 5 minutes, this will stop it after 5 minutes. Here I am running both the ESP client and ESP server simultaneously. As you can see, the ESP32 web server gets populated by the data over here. I will be showing you how the red light works. As you can see right here, it is currently off in the bottom right-hand corner. And if I click on, as you'll see, it changes in the text. And then it will change in here as well. I will click off again, and it will be off. And then we'll do it one more time for good measure. We'll click on, and then you can see that it is on. This is a fast-forwarded version of my ESP client and ESP server. As you can see, it runs exactly 10 times for 30 seconds, so therefore it actually runs for 5 minutes.